Well, I'm back again. I forgot the video last time. Looks like they've found a new little entrance there. I was able to cut and find the top of the comb last visit, which was extended about 2 feet past that main entrance there, which makes it around 5 feet long. There was still about 2 inches left at the top right hand side after the cut, so that's how far it extended up. This tree's been down around 3 weeks now, so the fact that we have no natural predators to bees, either four-legged, winged or otherwise, bodes well for this, with a touch of luck. As you can see, this log is actually fractured its entire length when the tree was fallen. Good in the fact that it means that there's not a hell of a lot of weight in the log because most of it's hollow. Bad in the fact it's going to make it a little bit harder to move. Intention's to hold it all together with 2 wooden plates, top and bottom, held together by screws, wrapped in shade cloth, loaded, taken home. That's the idea. Now I just got to do it without getting stung in the process. As you can see, I was able to get a strap around the log last time, which is now holding it together. Last time I temporarily blocked the end of the hive with some dry grass, rolled that piece of wood up against it so as not to give them a second entrance. My main concern is that they've actually set some new combs underneath the trunk, where it's split underneath, just to the right of that strap. They get a little testy when I get close to that for some reason. As you can see up near the base, up there, it's quite well split, so actually getting this log apart is probably not going to be such a hard problem. Keeping it together might be a bigger one. Well, so far so good. We've been able to find the bottom of the hive. Believe it or not, they didn't even mind me doing this. Even have a bloody chainsaw cut through their log. And I've actually started to build new comb since it's been laying on its side, which is just tucked up under there. I might be able to stick it in by hand. Hopefully I won't make it too seasick. I can't really see much from where I'm standing, so I hope you can see better. Its overall length now around a little over 4 foot, about 1.125 metres. 1.125 metres, should I say. Quick calculations. Our generation can do that, you see. Both metric and imperial, all in the one body. Great, ain't it? I think with that big crack right through it like that, I might have to get another strap for this end. So I'll cover this end with shade cloth today, screw that into position, and then get a strap and cover this end today. Oh, I thought I'd just bundle the shade cloth that I'm going to wrap the whole thing in the trunk to get used to, so the bees can get used to the smell of it. And oh God, sorry about that. So that's my day's work. I can quite easily move that by myself with a piece of metal pipe over the back with a wedge underneath it. I've already lifted one end and they don't seem to be too troubled by that. Next step, another strap, lift one end, wrap it, move it. Easier said, I'm afraid. When comes time to split this open, it'll be able to be opened like a big suitcase. It'll just peel open.